Ladies and gentlemen, today in this video I am going to share you all the answers of the brand new edition of close-up quiz from videofacts.com. So let's begin. Question number 1. Wow, it's the mountain Fuji, and our question is, leave our binoculars and bring your thinking cap. Can you tell us where in the world this majestic photo was taken? Answer: Japan. So here comes our question number 2, and you can easily guess this world famous painting. It's Mona Lisa, and our question is, who is the artist behind this celebrated masterpiece? Then its answer will be Leonardo da Vinci. Next, in question number 3, it's an image of a part of a fruit, and the question is, can you tell us what we are looking at here? Then the answer will be blueberry. Here comes our question number 4, and the question is, oh my, what exactly is this mesmerizing wonder? Answer: sunflower. Question number 5, this image is actually a part of the famous oil painting The Starry Night, and the question is, which artist created this revered and stylized masterpiece? Then the answer will be Vincent van Gogh. Next, in question number 6, if you find this type of image and the question as, and what exactly have we zoomed in on here? Then the answer will be hand X-ray. Here comes our question number 7, and the question is rough, rugged, and strangely hypnotic. Can you tell us what we are looking at here? Then the answer will be turtle shell. In question number 8, there is an image of a golden colored instrument, and the question is, which of the following musicians is most well known for their proficiency with this instrument? Then the answer will be Louis Armstrong. Here comes our question number 9, and the question is, go ahead and oh and ah, then tell us what we are looking at here exactly. Then the answer will be skeleton lips. Now, in question number 10, if you find an image of the part of Eiffel Tower and the question as, you can get this one correct. What country is this structure located in? Then the answer will be France. Here comes our question number 11, and if you find an image of a green, yellow and black colored caterpillar, and the question as, cute but maybe not cuddly, and definitely not a meat eater, which of these other terms has nothing to do with this critter? Then the answer will be vertebrate. The question number 12 of this close-up quiz has maximum 2 variants, and it's mandatory that you need to read the questions before selecting any option. In variant 1 of this question, if you find an image of Christ the Redeemer, and the question as, in which country will you find this statue? Then the answer will be Brazil. Again, in variant 2 of this question number 12, if you find an image of Christ the Redeemer, and the question as, which river runs through the country with this magnificent statue? Then the answer will be Amazon. Here comes our question number 13, and the question is, which image depicts the actual color of this well-known North American bridge? Then the answer will be this type of red color bridge. So select this type of option. In question number 14, if you find an image of a metal bull, and the question as, what institution is associated with this statue? Then the answer will be stock market. The question number 15 of this close-up quiz has maximum 2 variants, and it's mandatory that you need to read the questions before choosing any option. In variant 1 of this question number 15, if you find an image of the Statue of Liberty, and the question as, what language is spoken by the country that built this statue? Then the answer will be French. Again, in variant 2 of this question number 15, if you find the question as, how many times was this statue destroyed and rebuilt? Then the answer will be 0. Question number 16, wow, it's a beautiful volcano. And our question is, which of the following countries is not home to an active one of these spectacular objects? Then the answer will be Sweden. Here comes our question number 17. And if you find an eye of a pigeon and the question, unfortunately cast with the highest set of eyes, which class of animal does this creature belongs to? Then the answer will be bird. The question number 18 of this close-up quiz has maximum 2 variants, and it's mandatory that you need to read the questions before answering anything. So in variant 1 of this question number 18, if you find an image of a pink colored coat and the question as which band can be found wearing these eye-catching uniforms on a music album, then the answer will be the Beatles. Now in variant 2 of this question number 18, if they asks which song did this legendary band write, seen partially here in costume, then the answer will be Strawberry Fields Forever. And here comes our question number 19. If they asks which term below in no such way describes this beast from the land down under, then the answer will be carnivore. Now in question number 20, if you find an image of mantis shrimp and the question as talk about up close and personal, can you identify what kind of animal we have here? Then the answer will be shrimp. The question number 21 of this close-up quiz has maximum 2 variants, and it's mandatory that you need to see the images and also read the questions attentively. So in variant 1 of this question number 21, if you find an image of 10,000 yen note and the question as which language is spoken in the country that uses this currency, then the answer will be Japanese. Next, in variant 2 of this question, if you find a dollar currency and the question as what is the value of the currency note shown here, then the answer will be $100. Here comes our question number 22, and if you find an image or texture of pinkish, yellowish and whitish colored image and the question as what in the world are we looking at here, then the answer will be mountain. Next, in question number 23 of this quiz, if you find an image of Sydney Opera House of Australia and the question as the country that is the home to the structure is populated with many extraordinary animals, which of these wild animals has the closest association with the country, then the answer will be quokka. Here comes our question number 24, and if you find an image of a yellow spiky fruit and the question as despite its somewhat scary texture, this fruit is actually very healthy, can you tell us the name? Type your answer in below, then the answer will be durian. Next, in question number 25, if they ask which blurb is true regarding this animal, then the answer will be they are the oldest multi-organ organism. Now in question number 26, if they ask in which sector of the entertainment industry would you most likely find these figures, then the answer will be music. In question number 27 of this quiz, if you find this type of image and the question is take a closer look, can you tell us what is this alluring image is of, then the answer will be hot spring. Here comes our question number 28, and if you find the 4 options of St. Basil's Cathedral and the question as which close-up image precisely depicts the actual color found on the dome of a famous cathedral, then the answer will be this blue colored. Next, in question number 29, if you find an image of Nikola Tesla, who was the inventor of Tesla coil, remote control and radio, and the question as which of the following fields of scientific study is most associated with the figure zoomed in on here, then the answer will be electromagnetic radiation. At last, in question number 30, if they ask if you get this right, you have the eye of an eagle and mind of a sorcerer. What mathematical concept is often associated with this object from the sea? Type your answer below, then the answer will be Fibonacci sequence.